Hello, everybody. All right, so we've got these two questions right over here. And just a quick reminder, please note that when it comes to sets, there are two ways on how set exam questions are asked. Okay? So in paper two, they always ask things to do with something like this. Okay? They'll either give you the statement and then you come up with the Venn diagram, plug in the information yourself. Okay? Or they'll put or insert in the information for you. That's in the Venn diagram. And then they'll ask you to find maybe the value of some missing letter. Okay? So that's it. And then the other thing is that in paper one, they'll either shade for you and ask you to identify the shaded region, or they give you something like this, set notation. They ask you to shade like it is here. So in our video, we'll start with this one, okay, where they've given us what? The set notation, and they want us to shade. So when it comes to shading, it's very important, and this is what I always advise people. It's very important that you label. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in each region, you write one number. You can see these are regions. So in each region, you put one number, or if you don't want to work with numbers, you can be putting the letters. So if you are dealing with the numbers, you now go to the given notation. Start with your B complement. So identify these. So B complement will simply be equal to 1, 4, 7, and 8. So what does it mean when they say B complement? So B complement simply means don't get what is found in set B. So if you're able to see nicely, this is set B. So all the elements in set B, don't get them, but get what is outside set B. And this is how it will look like. There is a 1, a 4, 7, and 8. They are all not found in set B. Okay. Now, after identifying your B complement, you can identify your A intersect C. We know that A intersects C. This simply means get what is found in set A and C. A and C. There is a 4 and 5. These are the two elements which are found in both A and C. So once you identify like this, you now come to the actual question which they've asked you. So this is B intersect A intersect C. Okay? So this is what we're looking for. And this information will be gotten from what we've gotten right over here. So what is it that is found in this set and this set? It's a 4. Only 4 is found in both. And this is the region we are shading. We just go to where A is, where 4 is, it's here and shade. This is a region we need to shade. Okay, so you have to make sure that you shade nicely or your work looks nice. Okay, all right, so for this question right here, it's very important that you understand the given information. Okay, so here they're saying if 22 learners walk. So remember, put it in your mind that this is bus, this is car, this is walk. So let's put this situation in this context. There's a school, and at that school, these students here, they use a bus when going to school. While these, they use a car. They are driven maybe by their parents, their drivers going to school. While these, they walk. Now, the question or the statement here comes in. If 22 learners walk, find the value of X. So you go to where work is, this is work, and add all the elements that you're able to see. 4 plus X plus 3 plus 7. So these are the elements found in a work. 4 plus x plus 3 plus 7. This is equal to 22, according to what we've been told in the statement. Okay. So here we can just solve the equation. So we've got x plus, when we add here, we're getting a 14, which is equal to 22. Because 4 plus 3, it's a 7, plus 7, it's 14. We now group the like terms. And this is how it's going to look like. The value of x is coming out to be equal to, here it will be equal to what? To 8. Okay? Okay, so that's it. So we've known that the value of x here is what? It's 8. So we know here that this is 8. We now go to the next question. How many learners use only one mode of transport? This is where you need to be very careful. So let me make you understand something. When it comes to the Venn diagram, this region where 8 is, it's 3 activities which are happening at that region because it's the intersection of 3 things here. Wow, this region is 2, this region is 2, this one 2. This is one activity. I don't know if you understand. So what I'm trying to say here is that the intersection of all the sets is here. Intersection of 2 sets, it's here, here, and here. While one set only, it's here, here, and here. Now the question is saying how many learners use only one mode of transport. For one mode of transport, okay, we are going to just say 14 plus 7 plus 7, which will give us what? A 28. So this is one mode, one mode, one mode. So just add them. And that's your answer for question A. And for question B, they are saying 2 different modes. Remember, I showed you the region for 2. I said this is where 2 activities are happening. Here, here, and here. So you just say 4 plus 2 plus 3. This is giving us what? It's giving us a 9. Okay? Because here when we add, we're getting a 6. 6 plus 3, it's a 9. So this is a question or solution for question 1. Question 2, A, it's this one, and B is this one. Thank you so much. Hopefully you've gotten 1 or 2 things out of this video. Please note that we offer online tuitions in a lot of subjects. And the 2026 classes GCE have started. If you are interested, you can get in touch with us on this number so that you get added and start learning. Thank you and bye-bye.